Hello and welcome back to the comprehensive algo trading course on mini traders. In this video, we'll be talking about comments in Python before we can go further in variables. Comments are an essential part of any programming language, as they allow us to add notes or explanations to our code, making it easier to understand for ourselves and other programmers who have access to our codes. They play the role of a map for our codes. There are two types of comments in Python: single-line comments and multi-line comments. To create a single-line comment, we simply use the hash symbol before the text. For example, this is a single-line comment. This comment will be ignored by the Python interpreter when it runs the code. Multi-line comments, on the other hand, allow us to write longer notes and span across multiple lines. To create a multiple-line comment, we can use triple quotes before and after the text. For example, this is a multi-line comment. That spans across several lines. We can write as much as we want here. Again, these comments will be ignored by interpreter when running the code. One more thing to note is that we can also add comments after our code on the same line. For example, this is a comment explaining the value of z. Now, let's practice adding some comments to our code. I encourage you to add comments between your lines of code as you follow along with this course. And if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And before we go, if you find this course helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.